Hello, everyone. For this week's discussion, I selected Cisco's Global Hybrid Work Study 2025, which examines how organizations are adapting to hybrid work environments and how technology supports communication, collaboration, and productivity across geographical and dispersed areas. I chose this white paper because it directly relates to key concepts discussed in chapters 1 and 2 of our textbook, including information systems and global businesses, digital firms, collaboration technologies, and the strategic role information systems play in helping organizations achieve their business objectives. According to Cisco's study, organizations around the world continue to refine their hybrid work strategies. The research surveyed more than 21,000 employees and employees across 21 countries and found that while many companies are requiring more time in the office, hybrid work remains a significant part of modern business operations. The study also found that 73% of employees reported increased productivity under their current work arrangements, demonstrating that flexible work models can support both employee satisfaction and organizational performance. This connects directly to Chapter 1, where London and London discuss the concept of the digital firm. A digital firm is an organization in which nearly all significant business relationships and core business processes are digitally enabled through information systems and digital networks. Cisco's research provides a real-world example of this concept. Employees, managers, customers, and business partners are able to communicate and collaborate regardless of their physical location through technologies such as Cisco WebEx, Microsoft Teams, Zoom, cloud services, and mobile devices. The white paper also supports the textbook discussion of 6 strategic business objectives of information systems. These objectives include operational excellence, customer and supplier intimacy, improved decision-making, competitive advantage, new products and services, and survival. Cisco's findings show how collaboration technologies contribute directly to several of these objectives. Organizations use information systems to improve communications, increase productivity, support innovation, and maintain business continuity in rapidly changing business environments. Another important concept discussed in Chapter 1 is business value. Information systems are not simply technical tools. They create measurable value for organizations. Cisco's study demonstrates this by showing improvements in productivity, employee engagement, retention, and workspace collaboration. These outcomes provide tangible evidence that investments in information systems can positively impact organizational performance. Chapter 2 focuses on global e-business and collaboration. One of the major themes in this chapter is that modern organizations operate in an increasingly global environment where employees, suppliers, and customers may be located anywhere in the world. Effective collaboration technologies are essential for supporting these relationships. Cisco's research highlights the importance of communication platforms that allow employees to work effectively regardless of their location. The study finds that collaboration tools are viewed as critical by both employees and employers, reinforcing the importance of technology in today's global workforce. The white paper also discusses the importance of communication and trust in hybrid work environments. Cisco found that employee satisfaction with hybrid work policies is strongly connected to how well organizations communicate policy changes and expectations. This supports the textbook's emphasis on management dimension of information systems. Technology alone is not enough. Successful systems information requires effective leadership, communication, good organizational policies, and management practices. One interesting finding from this study is that younger generations, particularly Gen Z, show the strong preferences for flexible work arrangements. This suggests that organizations must continue adapting their technology strategies and workplace policies to meet the expectations of future employees. As digital collaboration tools continue to evolve, we will become even more important for attracting and retaining talented workers. In conclusion, Cisco's Global Hybrid Study work of 2025 provides an excellent example of how information systems support global business operations. The research demonstrates the importance of digital collaboration, communication technologies, and information systems in helping organizations improve productivity, support employees, and remain competitive. The study reinforces many of the concepts discussed in Chapter 1 and 2 and shows how information systems have become a fundamental component of modern business success. Thank you for listening, and I look forward to reading everyone else's posts and perspective on this. My name is Kelly, and it's been a pleasure.